Enjoy new driving adventures with the Mini Experience modes. 3 modes come as standard. Let's begin with the Core mode, initially set as default. A clear overview with default settings. Switch the Experience mode with the toggle in the center console, or via the app menu. Select your desired mode, or tell your Mini to do it.
Hey Mini, switch to green mode.
Green.
Watch! The Mini interaction unit layout changes to the green efficient setting, just like the ambient lighting. The driving settings automatically switch to Green Plus to regulate the energy consumption. Feeling more ambitious? Enter Go-Kart mode for a sportier chassis adjustment. More performance-oriented displays, Motorsport design dashboard projections, and a maximum of driving sound experience. And optionally, your experience modes offer further variety. Celebrate life in the media-based Vivid mode with energizing visual settings. Timeless mode is a trip down memory lane with classic designs. Or have it your way in personal mode, with your very own settings and preferences, like a personal background picture. Simply scan the QR code with your smartphone and choose your favorite picture from your gallery to set it as the Mini Interaction Unit background. And Balance mode helps you to calm down with comfortable driving settings and reduced lighting. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your Mini.